Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to create the same Zoog that you've already created again. Now, let's head into the Zoog app and select from the Continue Reading section. I chose Winnie the Pooh, which I've read before. As I scroll down, I can see the chapters available, as well as the ability to send my existing creation to someone. Or, if I'd like to start over, I can click the arrow to see all of the versions that I've created before, as well as make a new one by clicking Record New Version. And now I see the familiar Tap to Record screen and the 3, 2, 1. As usual, I can read the story with the text at the bottom. I can continue with the blue button. I can screenshot in order to save an image to my camera roll. I can also pause the recording and continue it when I'm ready by clicking Resume. After the 3, 2, 1, I'll keep reading. I can also click the X in the upper right-hand corner in order to either start over or delete this recording. All of the Zoogs I saved can be found in my Stories page. Thank you for watching and for using Zoog.